Alrighty, hello and welcome to Challenge 11, my friends. Hey, this is a series of 4 problems and they are all on your own problems, so you should have solved the entire problem on your own, and now you're watching this video to correct all 4 problems. Here we go with our very first problem, and it is 0.93 times 5.96. I went ahead and wrote my counted by the numbers for 9s and for 3s. I put the 5.96 right up on top of my 2 area boxes, and then I broke 0.93 into 0.90 and 0.03. And now I'm going to rock and roll with the first area box here, which is for the 3 in the hundredths column, because this is the tenths column and the hundredths columns. So here we go. 3 times 6. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, and 6 is going to give you 18. Drop your 8 and carry your 1. Drop that 8, carry that 1, and move along. 3 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives you 27. Plus this 1 here will give you 28. You're going to drop your 8, carry your 2, and move along. 3 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gives you 15. Plus this 2 here is going to give you 17. Drop your 7 and your 1 because you are all done with this area box. Now I'm going to come on down here. I'm going to multiply by 0. 0 times any number, in this case 5.96, is going to give me 0 down here. And it's really just a place value holder for the hundredths column, because that's where the 3 had already taken care of that. Now I'm moving to the tenths column. And here we go. 9 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 gives you 54. I'm going to drop the 4, carry the 5, and move along, my friends. 9 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 is going to give me 81. Plus this 5 here will give me 86. I'm going to drop the 6, carry the 8, and move along. 9 times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 is going to give me 45. Plus this 8 here is going to give me 53. I'm going to drop the 3 and the 5 because I am all done with everything for multiplication. Now all I have to do is add these bad boys up and then count my loopy-doops, and I'll show you how to do that right now. Let's go ahead and do this. And we've got 8 and 0. That will give us 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. Drop your 2, carry your 1. Then I've got 1 and 6 is 7. Plus 7 is going to give me 14. Drop my 4, carry my 1. 3 and 2 is going to give me 5. And 5 and nothing is going to give me 5 as well. Now all I have to do is count my loopy-doops. And I'm going to do that right now. And here we go. I'm going to go 1 loopy-doop, 2 loopy-doop. And then I'm going to just do the bottom here. 3 loopy-doop, 4 loopy-doop. Now if you notice, I just counted the top and the very bottom. You could also just count this one. It doesn't matter so long as you only count 1 here and 1 on the side. So here we go. I got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm going to come over here and go 1, 2, 3, and 4. And my decimal is going to go right there. So my answer is 5.5428. Now, this can also be rewritten as this right here. We can go 5 and 5, 4, 2, 8. Now, if you think of this, this is in the, well, actually, this is the tenths, hundredths, thousandths, 10,000ths place. So I'm going to simply draw 10,000 right below that. And there you have it. 5 and 5,428 10,000ths is your answer. All you really needed was this right here, 5.5428. And that's all you needed, my friend. Hey, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all. Pause the video, fix your mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. Let's move on to our second problem of this video. And here we have it, my friends. 0.59 times 0.857. So I got my counting by the numbers for my 5s and my 9s. I took the 0.857 and plugged it in on top of my 2 area boxes here. And then I broke the 0.59 into 0.05, I'm sorry, 0.50, and 0.09. Let's come on up here with the 9 first, and we're going to multiply 9 times 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 gives me 63. I'm going to drop the 3, carry the 6, and move along, my friends. 9 times 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gives me 45. Plus this 6 here will give me 51. I'm going to drop the 1, carry the 5, and move along. 9 times 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 is going to give me 72. Plus this 5 here will give me 77. I'm going to drop the 7 and the 7 because I am all done with this area box right here. Let's move on down here, and I first am going to go with the 0. 0 times any number, in this case 0.857. I almost messed that up, didn't I? We'll give you 0. 0 times any number is 0, so plug that 0 in there, and this 0 is really a place value holder for the hundredths place because that was already taken care of with the 9 right there. Now I'm going to move over here to the tens place with this 5 here and multiply away. 5 times 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 gives me 35. I'm going to drop the 5 and carry the 3. Drop that 5, carry that 3, and move along, my friends. 5 times 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 gives me 25. Plus this 3 here will give me 28. I'm going to drop the 8, carry the 2, and move along. 5 times 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 gives me 40. Plus this 2 here is going to give me 42. I'm going to drop the 2 and the 4 because I am all done with all my multiplication. All I have to do is add these bad boys up, and I am all done other than counting my loopy-doops. So here we go. 3 and 0 is going to give you 3. 5 and 1 is 6. 7 and 8 is, well, that is going to be 15. Drop your 5, carry your 1. 7 and 3 is 10. Drop that 0, carry that 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. And now all I have to do is count my loopy-doops. I'm going to do that right up on top. 1, 2, 3. And then down here on the bottom, 4 and 5. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. My decimal is going to go right there. So I'll add a 0 in front of it. And your answer is 0.50563. Now, this could also be written as a fraction. And here we would go 0. And then you're just going to put the 50563 on top. And then you're going to look here and go, this is the tenths, hundredths, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. So you're going to just write 100,000 underneath there. 100,000, and bam, there you have it. 0 and 50,563 hundred-thousandths. Bam, that is your answer. Hey, all you really needed was this answer here, 0.50563. And if you did that, everything is fantastic. If you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all, my friend. Pause that video, fix that mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. And now let us move on to our third problem of this video. And here it is, my friends, 46 times 9.42. So the first thing I did was do my counting by the numbers for 4s and for 6s. Then I took the 9.42 and put it up on top of my 2 area boxes here. And I broke the 46 into 40 plus 6. And now I am ready to rock and roll. 6 times 2, 1, 2. That's going to give me 12. I'm going to drop the 2, carry the 1, and move along. 6 times 4, 1, 2, 3. And 4 is going to give me 24. Plus this 1 here will give me 25. I'm going to drop the 5, carry the 2, and move along. 6 times 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives me 54. Plus this 2 here is going to give me 56. I'm going to drop the 6 and the 5 because I am all done with this area box right here. Next, I'm going to move down here to the 40. I'll start with the 0. And 0 times any number, in this case, 9.42, will give me 0. You got to love that, my friends. And then I'm going to just move along over here to the 4. 4 times 2, 1, 2 gives me 8. I'm going to drop that 8 and move along. Next, I've got 4 times 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 gives me 16. I'm going to drop the 6 and carry the 1. Drop that 6, carry that 1, and move along. 4 times 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 gives me 36. Plus this 1 here is going to give me 37. I'm going to drop the 7 and the 3 because I am all done with all my multiplication. Now all I have to do is add these bad boys up and then count my loopy-doops, and I am all done. Superb. 2 plus 0 is going to give me 2. 5 plus 8 is going to give me 13. I'm going to drop the 3, carry the 1. 6 and 6 is 12, plus 1 is 13. Drop the 3, carry the 1. 5 and 1 is 6, plus 7 is 13 yet again. Wow. Drop that 3, carry that 1, and 1 and 3 is going to give you 4. Bam. You got to love that. Now all I have to do is count my loopy-doops, and here we go. I've got 1 loopy-doop, 2 loopy-doop. So I don't have any over here because this is actually 46. It's a whole number. So I'm just going to count these 1, 2 loopy-doops on down here. And let's do that right now. And I'm going to go 1 loopy-doop, 2 loopy-doop, and my decimal goes right there. So your answer is 433.32. Now, you can also rewrite this as 433, and then put your 32 up on top as your numerator. And then this is in the tens place, this is in the hundreds place, so you can just put 100 right underneath, and voila, my friends, 433 and 32 100ths is your answer. You did not have to write this. All you needed to get to was 433.32, and you are perfect, fine, and fantastic, my friend. Hey, as always, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all. Pause the video, fix your mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. And now let us move on to our fourth and final problem of this video. And here it is, my friends. 0.87 times 643. So as you see, I've got my counted by the numbers for 8s and for 7s. I took the 643 and plugged it in right up on top here. And then I broke the 0.87 into 0.80 and 0.07. And now I'm ready to rock and roll. 7 times 3. 1, 2, 3 gives me 21. I'm going to drop the 1 and carry the 2. Drop that 1, carry that 2, and move along. 7 times 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives me 28. Plus this 2 here will give me 30. I'm going to drop the 0, carry the 3, and move along, my friends. 7 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 gives me 42. I got to add this 3 in there. That's going to give me 45. I'm going to drop the 5 and the 4 because I'm all done with this area box, my friend. Next, we'll move down here, and I'm going to start with this 0. 0 times any number, in this case, 643, will give me 0 here. And you can think of this 0 as a place value holder for the tens column. Nope. Slow down. This is the tens column. This is the hundredths column. And the 7 already took care of the hundredths column, and that 0 there is holding the place value for the hundredths column that the 7 did there. Fantastic. Now I'm on the tens column. And I'll start with the 8. 8 times 3. 1, 2, 3 gives me 24. I'm going to drop the 4, and carry the 2, and move along. 8 times 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4 gives me 32. Plus this 2 here is going to give me 34. I'm going to drop the 4, carry the 3, and move along. 8 times 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 is going to give me 48. Plus this 3 here is going to give me 51. I'm going to drop the 1 and the 5 because I am all done with all my multiplication. All I have to do is add these bad boys up, count my loopy-doops, and I am all done. Let's do that right now. 1 plus 0 is 1. 0 plus 4 is 4. 5 plus 4 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. And 5 and nothing is going to give you a 5. And then all you have to do is count your loopy-doops. I got 1 loopy-doop, 2 loop-a-doop. And remember, you only count one side here. If there were any up here, you'd count these and then just one of these. You don't count the top one, okay? Just the bottom. And that's 1, 2, right? So I'm going to come over here and go, let's do it right here. 1, 2 loop-a-doops. And I'm going to put my decimal right there. And your answer is 559.41. Now, you can also rewrite this as 559 and then put your 41 as your numerator. And since this is in the tenths column and this is in the hundredths column, you're going to just write 100 right underneath there. And voila, my friends, 559 and 41 100ths is the way you would write it as a mixed number. However, this is all you had to do was the 559.41. And if you did that right, then you're all set. You're good to go, my friends. Hey, if not, if you made a mistake anywhere along the way, no worries at all. Pause the video, fix your mistake. That is your fastest way to learn. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon. And now, on to counting by the numbers. This is a great strategy for anybody who does not have all their multiplication facts memorized. Counting by threes. Ready? Here we go. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Counting by fours. Ready? And 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. Counting by sixes. Here we go. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60. Counting by sevens, here we go. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. And counting by eights, here we go. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Counting by nines, here we go. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90.